Hello! In this lesson, we'll talk about three-member band examples. This way, you'll learn how to inspire in order to create your own group. As we saw in the previous lesson, the first and foremost you have to know is that we need a singer that plays guitar or bass, a bass player or main guitar player, and a drummer. In your drawing, you'll always be able to add all the members you want, but in this case, we're going to limit it to 3, which would be the basic ones we need to generate the band. I'm going to show you different examples of bands and styles in order for you to inspire them and to see if they really exist and work. I'm sure you know some of them. For example, this is Motorhead. This group would fall into the heavy metal or hard rock category. It's a quite old band since they started in 1975, therefore I want you to see that there's both actual and slightly older ones that still play, which you can use as a reference. This other band is Muse. I'm sure you also know this band. Its style is alternative rock, progressive, electronic music, a mix of many interesting things. This other band we see here is Green Day. Their style is known for their rock, punk, and pop mix. As you see, many of the bands I'm showing you are quite famous and you probably recognize most of them. The Police are known for a more pop rock oriented style, some reggae, and new wave. These styles are very interesting to inspire ourselves in other aesthetics. Of course, here we have the eminent Jimi Hendrix experience. This band, led by Jimi Hendrix, the famous guitar player, was mainly known by their psychedelic rock and blues mix of genres. All of these bands belong to the 1970s. Here we have a slightly older group, the Bee Gees. They mainly make pop, rock, soft rock music, and some softer songs that we could now catalog as classic rock. Last, I give you as another example the alternative music band 30 Seconds to Mars. The rock they make is that, alternative. It has some mix of genres and may inspire you when creating your characters. Remember that the style you choose for your rock band can be any of them. If you want to create a rock band, as I'm suggesting, it's okay. You can choose many genres, but you can also use any genre that you like for your band. Well, now you have some basic references to be able to start on the research and creation of your characters. The first thing we'll do is researching what look or aesthetic we want for our band and what name we'll use. See you in the next video then.